This episode is brought to you by the American Homebrewers Association. Join the American Homebrewers Association for 1 year and get a free brewing book of your choice. Pour through more than 60 titles written by expert brewers, ranging from beer styles and techniques to recipe design to find one perfect for you. Visit homebrewersassociation.org/morebeer to join the American Homebrewers Association and treat your shelf to a new brewing book. Check out homebrewersassociation.org/morebeer for offer details. Cheers. I don't know what to do with my hand. I punch on cheers. Cheers. Vito, how are we gonna top last month's biggest giveaway ever?
My wife had an idea that I thought was kind of funny. She said the smallest giveaway ever.
Ooh, I've got an idea. It's small in size, but big in features.
It's a great idea.
Free Beer Friday!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday.
So we usually have a beer right now, Chris. We're kind of empty here.
Dude, we just got back from the Homebrew Con and man, I'm beered out.
Yeah, maybe it's time for a detox.
So Homebrew Con was amazing this year. San Diego never disappoints. You guys were awesome. All the comments, feedback we got on the show, awesome. We got some great footage, Vito interviewing a ton of people. We just had such a blast.
Yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody who stopped by the booth and talked to us. I mean, it was just amazing. I love talking to homebrewers. I love talking beer, getting your feedback. You know, people saying they've watched all our episodes, some of our longer ones from all the way to the end. I mean, that just means the world to me. So I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you to the AHA, to the homebrew community. Great time in San Diego. Loved it. Shout out to Wort Wrangler for taking us around, showing us all the cool scenes, getting some great tacos down there. Just had a blast.
One of the coolest things was announcing the winner at Club Night. And we got to announce the winner of the Brew Sculpture digitally controlled awesome system. And we got to announce it live. In front of everyone, Justin helped us out and the winner was there. Herbert was right there. I stumbled through his name.
Right. The big winner is Herbert Poke Orney. Pock Orney? Right here. Right there. Yeah. No! That is awesome. That is awesome. It's all yours. Check it out. Well, I certainly hope you have a big truck.
Yeah, that was amazing. I mean, he's like a couple rows back. You say the name, and with I think it was like 10,000 entries or something like that. So you don't expect him to be there, but to see a hand go up in the crowd and someone come running up was just amazing.
Thank you everyone for entering, and that kind of excitement for the last month that we've seen out of you guys. Some of the videos you guys sent in to us were amazing, and that makes us want to go better and bigger and more fun.
All right, everybody who entered, Herbert was the big winner, but we're gonna send a special deal to everybody who entered. So for entering, we do have something for you, so be sure to check your email, check your spam folder in case it makes its way into there. So we're gonna have a special deal for everybody who entered. We actually really enjoyed, despite being kind of nervous, doing the live stream. It's kind of fun because there's no script, you're just going off riffing and stuff like that. So we'd like to do more live streams. Let us know what you'd like to see. Maybe visiting a brewery, going live, visiting a homebrew shop, something like that, just going live. Anything, go to a homebrew club meeting. So let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us doing some live streams, and maybe we'll go ahead and do that, and you can catch us doing it live.
Well, I'm putting my comment right now down on this video that I think we should go live while brewing.
I love it. There we go. That's a great idea. Do it live.
And thank you everyone who commented last month. We got tons of comments on that video. We have 5 winners for commenting last month. Winner number 1.
Winner number 2.
Winner number 3.
Winner number 4.
Winner number 5. Vito, what time is it?
It's time for
smallest giveaway ever.
This month's smallest giveaway ever is gonna be one lucky winner is gonna win the Anton Paar EasyDens, and one lucky winner is gonna win the Anton Paar SmartRef.
So the EasyDens is essentially a hydrometer. You know, a lot more features and stuff that we'll dig into later. And then the SmartRef is basically a refractometer. But again, a lot of features, a lot of cool technology that you could use on different stuff. So let's talk about Anton Paar. I think it's kind of the gold standard in brewery lab equipment. You know, when I worked at a brewery, had a lot of Anton Paar equipment, loved it. It's kind of, you know, they make the high-end brewery stuff, but they're starting to make their way into the homebrew market.
Exactly. The high-end stuff you're using at a brewery starts at like $5,000. And this is incredible equipment. And what's awesome is the same device, the same measuring tool is in this. They just made it very small form factor. There's no display on here. You have to sync it up with a phone or an iPad so that you can see what it is. But because of that, you get a couple cool features. When we first started carrying the EasyDens, we had a few homebrewers be like, dude, that's a pretty expensive hydrometer. I mean, I can buy a lot of hydrometers for the cost of that. But those who did buy are our best salespeople.
Yeah, it's, you know, you look at the price tag and there's a lot of reasons why you're gonna want this, and we'll go into it later in the videos, but it's worth every penny and they're an amazing piece of equipment.
As an added bonus, we are going to give away 10 memberships to the AHA. That's gonna be on our dime, not on their dime. And one of the things I want you to know, if you sign up today, don't worry, this will just add another year for you. As you may have noticed, I said the word sponsored, and that's not something we're gonna do very often. This show is sponsored by MoreBeer, and it's always gonna be sponsored by us. But the AHA approached us, the American Homebrewers Association. They wanna get their membership numbers up to pre-COVID numbers, and I think they should, because we really believe in this organization. They are a great organization, and they do a lot for not only the homebrewer, but for beer in general.
Yeah, it's AHA is also part of the BA, which is the Brewers Association. So they're out there, you know, changing laws, representing brewers across the nation on the state level.
Homebrewing wasn't legal in every state when I started homebrewing. It was legal in the states I was in, as far as I knew, but it wasn't legal in every state, and they fought hard for that. And they took the measures and steps to work with the local government and get that fixed, which was pretty rad.
Not to mention Homebrew Con, which we just got back from, and you know, it's a great event that they put on.
They put on a couple cool events. The Homebrew Con, of course, is the premier homebrewing. They've also put on for years the Great American Beer Festival. And if you've never been to that, it is something worth putting on your bucket list because it's a ton of fun.
All right, to recap, this is our smallest giveaway ever, but it's, you know, pretty big. One lucky winner is gonna get the EasyDens, one lucky winner is gonna get the SmartRef.
And 10 lucky winners are gonna get a year membership to the American Homebrewers Association. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and go to the monthly giveaway.
As always, on that page underneath the entry to the giveaway, there's always an exclusive deal just for you guys, the viewers. So make sure you scroll down, check that out, kind of hidden little deal in there, and it's always a great one to take advantage of.
Thank you, everyone. What a great month last month was, and we're fired up even more to make this month, next month, and ones after that even better. Woo!